Container gardening is an excellent way to bring greenery and beauty to any space. Regardless of whether you have a sprawling garden or a tiny apartment balcony, with the right techniques and a little bit of care, you can create a thriving container garden that will provide you with fresh herbs, vibrant flowers, or even delicious vegetables. We will provide you with quick and practical tips to ensure the success of your container gardening endeavors. Choose the right containers. Selecting the appropriate containers is crucial for successful container gardening. Opt for containers with drainage holes to prevent waterlogging and root rot. Use quality potting mix. Invest in a high-quality potting mix that is well-draining and nutrient-rich. Avoid using garden soil alone, as it tends to become compacted and hinders proper drainage. A good potting mix provides adequate aeration and retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. Provide adequate drainage. As mentioned earlier, drainage is essential for container gardening. Place a layer of stones or broken pottery at the bottom of the container to enhance drainage. Select the right plants. Consider the specific requirements of the plants you wish to grow. Choose plants that are well suited to container gardening and match the growing conditions of your space, such as sunlight exposure and temperature. Select varieties that are compact or suited for vertical growth to optimize space. Pay attention to watering. Container plants typically require more frequent watering compared to those in the ground. Check the moisture levels regularly by sticking your finger into the soil. Water the plants thoroughly when the top inch of soil feels dry. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Provide adequate sunlight. Most plants need ample sunlight to thrive. Ensure that your container garden receives the appropriate amount of sunlight each day. Place the containers in areas with the right light conditions for the specific plants you are growing. Fertilize regularly. Container plants rely on you for their nutrient supply, as the potting mix may not contain enough to sustain them throughout the growing season. Feed your plants with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer according to the package instructions. Container gardening offers a versatile and enjoyable way to bring the beauty of plants into your surroundings, regardless of the space available. By following these quick tips, you can ensure the success of your container garden and enjoy a bountiful harvest, vibrant flowers, or lush greenery throughout the year.